Why do I come to trainings? Because I always truly come away with something that changes my business and propels me forward, and it refills my tank for my team, and it just makes me a better leader. Speed of the team is the speed of leader, so you gotta show up.
I come to trainings because I absolutely love the women that come. I love the content that is being taught at the trainings. I would not be in the position I'm in if it wasn't for the trainings.
The training content is on point to changing lives, to get you to live your best life now.